Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer. If you follow my channel, you probably already know me. On this channel, I share recipes from around the world. Listen to me and keep improving your English. I'm going to help you with your English about cooking, food, and food culture. If you watch my videos regularly, I'm sure your English will improve over time, guys. Today I have a wonderful but simple recipe for you. It's a recipe everyone knows and it's very healthy. But first, I need to keep my counter clean. Look, my refrigerator is packed. I did all the shopping for you. Don't forget to watch my shopping video, friends. Okay, now I'll tell you what I'm going to do today. Listen up, everyone. It's very simple. Today I'm making tuna salad. I know it's not a difficult recipe, but everyone's on a diet. I wanted you to see my recipe. Now let me tell you about my fresh vegetables. For my tuna salad, I have cucumber, lettuce, tomato, onion, bell pepper, some greens, a hard-boiled egg, and of course, tuna. Actually, tuna salad might seem very easy to make, but if it's not delicious, it can put you off your diet or your enthusiasm for healthy eating. As you know, what makes a salad good is the dressing. I used lemon, pomegranate sauce, olive oil, sumac, and salt in this salad dressing. I don't know if you've used pomegranate sauce before, but it makes salads amazing. I highly recommend you try it. Here's the star of my salad. I don't enjoy any salad without pomegranate sauce. It's so healthy. You know, pomegranate is the queen of fruits, and it's free of additives. It's that simple. By the way, I should mention that it might be a little sour. If you have a sensitivity to sourness, you might not want to try it. That's understandable. Oh, this is really great. You absolutely must try it. It's filling, healthy, easy to make, and delicious. What more could you want, folks? Come on, take a closer look. Doesn't it look amazing? Anyone can make this. But not everyone can make it delicious. I've given you the secrets. Hey, how about we grab some soda to go with my salad and eat it in the garden? The weather's great. And I was hungry. This fresh air and this healthy salad felt so good, friends. Do you like my garden, friends? I want to plant some vegetables and fruit trees here. What do you think? Do you think I can do it? I'm really full. It was wonderful. But if you know anything about gardening, please share your thoughts in the comments, because I don't know anything about it. That's enough. It's coffee time now. Are you one of those who love coffee after dinner? I adore it. In fact, I think I'm addicted. What kind of coffee do you like? Please share with me in the comments. This will help you improve your English writing. By the way, I'm serious about gardening, guys. I need your help. Please tell me where to start. Thank you for watching my video this far, everyone. I'm Jennifer. I'll be talking about my kitchen and my food. If you watch my videos regularly twice a day, your listening skills will improve over time. Trust me. If your listening skills are good, your speaking skills will improve along with it. I'm here to help you improve your English. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Oh, by the way, there's a short quiz waiting for you at the end of my video. Be sure to check it out. Share how many correct answers you got. Let's see who's watching me. Goodbye, everyone.